Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our first session of the afternoon. So as you know, in today's competitive environment, teamwork, agility, speed, and innovation count significantly toward the longevity and success of a company. However, just as crucial as all of these things is client education. Client education has proven to be of vital importance in building long-term relationships, at least for those who have adopted it. So our next guest today, I'm very excited to announce, has more than 20 years of experience as an expert in financial markets and has also led hundreds of seminars, webinars, workshops around the world on client education. Please help me welcome Andreas Thalassinos, Director of Education at NAGA.
Hello guys, how are you? How do you feel?
Very excited.
Guys, let me hear you please. How do you feel? Thank you. How was lunch? You haven't had lunch yet? No? Because usually after lunch we feel a little bit down, a little bit sleepy, right? But I will make sure I will wake you up. So give yourselves a big round of applause to start with. So I have only 15 minutes. Usually I talk non-stop for 5 to 6 hours during my seminars and workshops. And the most interesting part is that nobody leaves. For some reason, I don't know why. So I have only 15 minutes to share my knowledge with you, and it's very, very difficult for me to do that. Nevertheless, my presentations are always interactive, so I will ask a couple of questions, maybe 3 or 4. And if you know the answer, please raise your hand, give me your answer very fast so I can give you a gift pack. Is that good? Do you like it? Yeah, it doesn't sound very exciting, right? All right, guys. My name is Andreas Thalassinos. I'm the Director of Education at NAGA, and my job is to travel around the world and train traders how to trade the financial markets. And for some reasons, everybody's jealous of my job. Yeah, I know. So, yeah, I see a lot of familiar places from Dubai Expo, right? Thank you. So, let me bring you back like 20 more years ago when I started in this business, trading myself, trading my own money. So, I was an IT manager in a big financial firm, and like every other Cypriot, started engaging with the stock market. And actually everybody was making money. Unrealized profit. We couldn't sell actually, right? Because of limitations of the exchange. So everybody was making profit. Why? Because there was a strong uptrend. It's no brainer, right? If the market goes up, everybody makes money. Do you agree with me, guys? I don't believe you. Yeah. Guys, let me hear you, please. Thank you. Now, I started trading the stock market, and I was making a lot of money. My friends were all economists, and they studied finance, economics at big-name universities, and they were talking about this EPS, EP ratio, and this stuff that I never understood, and I don't want to understand till today. And I was jealous. They all bought red race cars. You get the picture? Brand suits, shiny shoes, and brand ties. I was jealous. So I said, I have to educate myself and learn how to control my decisions, to make educated decisions, and make some money. So what did I do? I searched the internet for education. Unfortunately, back then, there were not webinars, seminars, workshops, or books to learn about technical analysis, right? So I started searching the internet. This is a good picture of mine, by the way. So I started searching the internet to learn the basics. And the first thing I stumbled on, because I moved from stock market, I moved to forex market. There was huge campaigns about currencies. palm trees, yachts with champagnes. You get the picture, guys? Do you remember 20 years ago how it was? So I was lured in these campaigns, and I stumbled on currencies. And then they started talking about this strange terminology: bid, ask, spread, pip, points, and the likes. So let me educate myself. What is bid price? I need to know how to buy and sell, right? Yes, guys? Do you agree with me? Yes. So what is bid price? Let me hear you, please. What is bid price? Bid price? What is bid price, guys? Nobody? You never traded before in your life? Guys, you don't know what the bid price is? I will give you a gift back if you give me the correct answer. Right, what is bid price, sir? The price you can sell at. All right, the price that you can sell at. I challenge all of you, Google it. This is what you are going to get. A bid price is the price for which somebody is willing to buy something. To buy something. But the gentleman there said to sell. I challenge you, look it up on the internet, respectable sites, this is what they say. And then I went on, now, mnemonics, I have to remember what bid price is, it's a new terminology, mnemonics, bid buy, correct? So I can remember it, and I remembered it very well. So now I go to ask price. What is ask price? A gift back to the gentleman right there, please. I give you that, a big round of applause, thank you. What is ask price? Come on, guys, please. What is that? Oh, it's here. So, I'm getting old. The ask price is the price that an investor is willing to sell a security. Excellent. So, I have $10,000 deposit in my account, and I start trading. They told me, buy low, sell high. And this is what I did. And I bought, and I lost $10,000. Why? Because I used the wrong command. Instead of buying, I was selling. You get the picture, guys? This is what the internet taught me. Bid means buy. This is what they said, and this is what I did. So this is wrong. Bid is not the price to buy. And ask is not the price to sell, it's the other way around. So why the internet is full of this wrong information, I will tell you at the end. And then here is the punchline. The next terminology is spread. Not bread spread, but forex spread. Yes? Spread is the difference between the bid and the ask price. Now, listen to me. It took me a year to clarify these terms, guys. Honestly, I'm accepting that. And I asked an English language teacher, I said, if I say X is equal to the difference between A and B, how do you write it down? Because I was getting confused. And she said, the difference between A and B is A minus B. Are you following me? Can you make some noise? Yeah. Come on, you're sleepy guys. All right. So, spread, similarly, should be the difference between bid and ask. How do you write it down? Spread equals bid minus ask. Do you agree with me? So, if there is a broker that offers a negative spread, let me know. Are you following me, guys? This is completely wrong. And Google it. I'm challenging you now. Google it. All these three simple, basic terms. Very good. So, after paying the price, yes, to learn these basic terms, I wanted to learn about how to trade the markets, where to buy and where to sell. So I attended a broker's seminar presentation. I paid £200, like 350 euros, for 1 hour presentation, how to trade the markets. I will teach you how to make money. This is what they told me. And I ran. I was hypnotized. I went there. And they said, we have this secret indicator, which actually it was an indicator. It was an oscillator. There is a difference between indicator and oscillator, guys. But he didn't know the difference, obviously. And he said, when MACD moves above 0, you buy. And when MACD moves below 0, you sell. And this is what I did. And I lost $10,000 more. Right? You're smiling now, yes? All right. It was on demo account, by the way. Very good. So then, after paying 200 pounds, somebody told me, buy at the support and sell at the resistance. And I heard that buzzing all over. Buy at the support, sell at the resistance. So, actually, the support and resistance. Buy at the support, sell at the resistance. And I did that. And what happened? I lost another 10K. Why? Because this is false information. Because in an uptrend, this thing will not hold for nothing. Every resistance in an uptrend will be breached, will be broken, will be violated. Right? So I lost 10,000 more. So I'm paying the price for my ignorance. And I move on. And of course, I found this information that in a strong uptrend, nothing will hold the price back. So why do they give this information, this wrong information? Why the internet is full of wrong, false information? So now I want to read and educate myself seriously. And then people come and ask me, what do you think, Andreas, of the market? What do you think about the direction of the market? So I'm started educate other people as well. And I'm feeling very good because now I'm clarifying this industry from this false information. I have to look at the countdown. What is that? Oh my God, I have only 4 minutes? Come on. Only 10? All right, thank you. So then they told me, Andreas, forget this technical stuff. Trade the economic news. I said, what is that? He said, it's major economic high impact news. You haven't heard about NFP, the non-farm payroll report? I said, yes, I read about it. It's the most important economic news in the universe. Absolutely right. So you trade that because it comes out every first Friday of the month, 3:30 Cyprus time. And there is a lot of volatility, high volatility, right? And high volatility is good for you. Strange words for me. High volatility, NFP. So I tried that, and this is what happened, of course. 10 more thousand down the drain. But I'm learning at least, right? Guys? Do you like what you hear so far? I don't believe you. Give me a big round of applause, please. Wake up. I paid the price for you, right? Thank you. So how can you trade this cardiograph? In high volatility. High volatility means the price goes like that. There is slippage. You want to buy at 130 and you buy at 135. Is it good for you? No. So why do you want to trade NFP? I don't know. This is what they say. Google it. And of course, this is the all-time favorite, guys. Volume. I respect volume. Volume is a leading indicator. What does it mean? It means that it precedes what? The most important indicator. Do you know which one is the most important indicator? A gift back for the correct answer? Women. What? Who is this one? A gift back for the gentleman, guys. Give him 2. So what precedes? Volume precedes the most important indicator in the markets. Which one is the most important indicator? What? Price is the boss. You have one already, right? Give him another one. Give it up for him, guys. Price is the boss. Price is king. And anything else is secondary to price. Do you agree with me? If you don't, you will pay the price. So volume precedes price. Why? Because if, for example, there is a range, and when the prices bounce up on increased volume, then it means that most probably they will break above. And if prices, when they rebound from the resistance, and on increased volume, then most probably it will break below the range. That's why we say it's preceding price. Is it clear what I'm saying? All of you are following me? All right. So they told me, Andreas, when you trade the Forex, the foreign exchange, the currencies, use volume. Because Forex is fast. And I use volume. And I lost 10,000 more. Because in Forex there is no volume. Do you know that? In Forex there is no volume. That's why they call it volumes. I challenge you, look it up on your favorite platform. It's not volumes. Why? Because foreign exchange is not centralized and there is no aggregated volume. As simple as that. So what is that? It's called ticks. It's the number of times the price change at a specific time frame. Do you know that, guys? No. All right, give it up for me then. Thank you. So you see that my ignorance, what is that? My ignorance had me pay a very heavy price. And then they told me, Andreas, trade the range. Look at it. They drew it for me on paper, on whiteboard. So two parallel lines. Let me just show you guys. Two parallel lines. And prices bounce and rebound in this range, in these parallel lines. Guys, if I show it to you, you say, wow, I am becoming a millionaire now. I will buy at the support and sell here. Do you agree with me? As simple as that. Here, I will start buying here, taking my profit here, and perhaps short here, and taking my profit here, and buy here, and take my profit here. And it goes on and on and on. You agree with me? It's false information. Because to have a straight line, let's go back to elementary school, to have a straight line, how many points you need? So you cannot buy here. Do you agree with me? For sure you cannot buy here, right? Because this does not exist. But when they show it to you in hindsight, you say, wow, this is the best system. Yes, sir, you agree with me? So, now, here is the tip. By the time you identify the range on the chart, the range is gone. Correct? I call range killing fields. Try it, or better, do not try it. It's very risky, guys. It's very dangerous. All right? There is no reason to trade the range. And the range, what is the definition of the range? Let me hear it out for 2 gift bags. What is range? Guys, can I have a definition of range? Google it. Google it now. Google it now. What is range? Space of potential what? 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 Yes? What else? What else? We have a correct answer here. Equal tops and equal bottoms. Give it up for our colleague here, guys. Gift back here, please. And again, equal tops and equal bottoms. This is false information, but I challenge you, Google it. Everybody says that. Equal tops and equal bottoms. It's wrong. There is no equal tops and equal bottoms. This is how it looks in a very polite way. Actually, it looks like that. And they draw 2 parallel lines. Are you following me, guys? So you cannot trade the range, period. Any questions so far? No questions, guys? Are you following me? What? Come to my seminar. I have one in Dubai, 20th November. Yeah. Anyway, so how much time I have? 2 minutes? 5? You give me extra 5? 4, okay, thank you. Give it up for Jenny, guys, it's very nice. So, what do brokers say to their clients? They say, we have excellent customer support. Right? Did you hear that? Very good. We have low spreads. Yes? Do you agree with me? We speak many languages. We speak your language. Yes? Good. We have the best execution speed. We have fast deposits and withdrawals. Have you heard that before? We have schemes to reward you when you refer your friends to us. Yes? We have different jurisdictions. We are present in different jurisdictions. Yes? Guys? Are you following me? Thank you. And of course, we have a wide range of products. But excuse me, do you offer education? Do you have a training department? How can I trade all these wide range of products? Which one is the best? How am I going to buy? Where am I going to sell? Where is my profit? How am I going to protect my capital? Please, do you offer client education? Why don't you mention it if you do? Why? So this is one factor to judge a broker. Do you agree with me? Thank you. And God forbids if your kid suffers from his or her appendix. What are you going to do? You know, let me tell you what I do with my kids. I say, jump on your right foot. And if they have pain, then it's appendix for sure. And they have to go to the doctor. Right? Did you know that? Okay, then you go to the doctor. Skip the jumping, okay? And then, where are you going to bring? Which doctor are you going to bring your kid, your beloved kid? To the best doctor, an average doctor, a new doctor, an experienced doctor? Let me hear you guys. Best. Would you bring your kid to a person who read an article on how to perform operations or attended a seminar or read a magazine to remove, please, guys, don't. Would you do that? Why then you brokers hire people who are not certified? They are not knowledgeable. They are not skilled to train your clients. This is my question to you brokers. This is another factor to judge a professional broker who cares about their clients. Because caring about your clients is a long-lasting relationship. Right? Do you agree with me? Yeah. I don't believe you. Let me hear you, please. So, what is quality client education? Let me show off now. Synchronous and asynchronous methods. Educational videos. On-demand videos. Whenever you go at your own leisure, pace, and time, read, learn, hear. Learn, understand. Yes? E-books, glossary. You know, guys, with this glossary, I have a lot of fun with that. I go on these websites and they say we have a comprehensive glossary. And they skip 15 letters, empty, and then the rest they have 5 definitions. Thank you. Seminars and workshops. Go to your client's town and train them. Why? You create client-broker relationship, trust relationship. In business, this is what counts. Trust. Yes? Yes? I thank you. And webinars on a daily basis in different languages, and not just say buy low, sell high. Explain. Explain the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. Explain the Elliott wave theory. Guys, and when you write on your website Elliott wave theory, please, at least spell the guy's name correctly. Double L and double T. So, why client education? Why quality education? Because it's a must. It's imperative. If you don't do it, what is going to happen? You are going to pay what? I cannot hear you. The price. It creates trust, relationship, and loyalty. Yes? If you have a qualified educator, yes, a knowledgeable educator who can explain complex definitions and terms and concepts in an easy way to understand, people will love him. And they will appreciate the broker that brought this person in their own town to train them on how to trade the markets. Do you agree? Yeah. I don't believe you. And clients, happy clients, satisfied clients become ambassadors of the company. Yes? You get free advertising. This is what I'm saying. Guys, you agree? Yep. And of course, you stand out from the rest of the crowd. You stand out from the rest of the brokers because you offer what? Quality? Education. So, my suggestion to you brokers, make client education the focal central point of your strategy. And you will not regret it. Yes? Thank you so much. Do I have time for more? Oh, I'm sorry. Guys, I don't have time for more. Thank you. Come to booth 88. Come to booth 88. I have gift bags. I have time to chat with you. All right? And ask me anything you want. And I have a surprise. We take a picture with you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Amazing.
Thank you.